We saying viewers, it's the young bike mechanic here, giving you a video on how to break a D-lock. If you don't know what D-lock is, it's a lock you use to lock up your bicycle. Basically, it's a lot stronger than the basic lock, like the pan shop locks that you get for a pound, or the long combination ones, or the long key ones, the cable ones. Because all you got to do is put a set of bolt cuts through them. But these are made of pure steel, yeah? So it's a lot harder to break them, but there is a way of breaking them. And that's what I'm going to show you now. Basically, you got to use air spray, and I'm going to use this universal gas lighter refill. All you got to do is, oh shit, all you got to do is spray it into the keyhole. That would do. I mean, it's only a cheap lock, it ain't really one of them expensive ones. They're £8 out of Tesco's, so I recommend don't buy them from Tesco's, because they're actually really shit. I've already broke a Tesco's one before. If you don't believe this is locked, it is locked. Look, I'm not messing you about it. This is actually how you break a D-lock. When you do it, it might come off easy or it might come off harder. Yeah, it might take a few taps, I don't know. Right. It's getting knocked down, so I can hold the camera and knock it off. There you go. That's the top part of the D-lock. People call them U-locks because look, there's U. When you add this bit, it's a D. Well, it's a long D. If you don't know where to get what do you call it? Universal lighter refill from, you can get out of pan shops, news agents, anywhere that sells tobacco products or tobacco accessories, like lighters and that. Yeah, that's how you break a D-lock. Cycle thieves, don't do it, because if you're near a bike with some air spray and a hammer, they're gonna know you're nicking bicycles, and the police will pull you over unless you've got evidence that it's your bike. You're gonna get nicked. So yeah, don't do that. And that's how you break a D-lock. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to build a BMX. God, yeah. And that's that. So I'll see you in my next video, viewers, and goodbye.